Hey y'all, thanks for watching. Today we're going to do Geekfuel's December crate. If you remember, the last video was World's Finest, which is a bigger box, has more items in it. This is a smaller box, it's a cheaper box. There's about 3 to 4 items in it, but it's all great stuff from Geekfuel. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Here's a sneak peek. Let's see what we got. Let's start with the shirt. Last month's shirt was the shirt I'm wearing right now. It's Gremlins. Great movie. Usually in Geekfuel the shirts are really good. This month's is Toys R Us, where a kid can be a kid. Nice color. Let's try it on. Alright, it fits nice. I like the color, and it's Toys R Us. I'm probably gonna put this in rotation. It'll be part of all the shirts that I wear from these Geek boxes. See, next is a Home Alone Kevin's knitted beanie. Home Alone, great movie. Always watch it around this time of year. Nice hat. Have 2 more items. This is Ghostbusters. Looks like a Ghostbusters Ring. Like the little package that it's in. Oh, it's one of those spinny rings. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Classic Ghostbusters. Awesome. One more thing they throw into these boxes is like a mystery bag of stuff. So we got a Little Nero's Pizza, no fiddling around, magnet. It's like a 3D Jaws card. See that 3D. And a Toys R Us sticker. Oh, I got 2 of them. So I could put one on my laptop. One of those things that come out like a gumball machine. Don't really know what it is, but it's like a little rubber figurine with a little hat you can put on. And that's it for this box. Hope you liked it. We have a couple other boxes coming in soon, so we'll hopefully upload those as soon as we get them. Happy holidays.